Yes, online courses bring this aspect of freedom of finances, freedom of time, freedom of location. You can work from wherever you want to work from. We know this, right? Especially as we started to see COVID roll in, unfortunately, back in 2020, we really started to see people adopt and want the laptop lifestyle, or the lifestyle where you can work from anywhere. And we're starting to see, still more of that. Like, people still want that. But also, what's not being talked about is Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Well, hello. What is going on? Awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Happy Friday to you. I hope that your day is starting off amazing. All right, let's get into today's topic. I want to make this one quick and to the point, like most of these episodes. So I want to talk about why everyone should be teaching. I believe this to be the case, okay? And no one is talking about this. And so you guys know I like to bring these abstract ideas, things that go on in my head. Okay, welcome to my mind palace. What's going on, Marie Silent Music? Blessings back at you. It's good to see you. The Monique Lisa, hello. Great morning, evening, afternoon, depending on where you are. Clifford, what's going on? Okay, y'all, let's get into this really quickly. Everyone should be teaching. I feel like this. Our teaching creates this space of freedom. Okay, I'll put it very bluntly, very succinctly. It creates a space of freedom. Growing up, at least for me, and there are people I know that I present this concept to, and they're like, oh no, I've always been me. Okay, I've always done the things that I wanted to do. And I just feel like that's not true. In our society, especially here, I know in the United States, growing up, like, our sense of curiosity was kind of like trained out of us, if you will. Like, even through traditional education, I truly believe there needs to be a change, okay, in the traditional education system. And this is why I do what I do. This is why, part of the reason I created Jump First, because I mean, that system, that institution hasn't been changed in so long. And a lot of what it was built for, if you look at the history, is basically it socializes us, right? It prepares us for society. Yeah, we go through and we learn some things, but we're being socialized through those institutions to show up in a certain way, to act a certain way, behave a certain way in our employment situations, right? And throughout the rest of society. And while, yes, I believe there needs to be an aspect of socialization that is taught, I believe it goes a little bit too far, because again, it like takes away our curiosity. And what I have found through teaching courses and teaching so many other high performers, high achievers to teach their courses is it opens up this new door to being curious again. And that's the kind of atmosphere that I create inside of my programs, inside of my courses. The clients that I get to work with have this, there's a level of freedom there, right? Where you get to truly do what you want to do, to explore these like opportunities. And having a coach and a mentor is providing you kind of this platform for you to be able to feel comfortable in taking a risk that maybe you wouldn't have normally taken. And so I truly believe that everyone should be teaching what it is that they know, to provide the space of freedom for themselves, but also to open that door for other people. It's just so important. What's going on, Aramagam? I hope I pronounced your name correctly, from India. I appreciate that. Good to see you on today. Clifford, great morning to you as well. I hope that you're having an awesome weekend too. And so I just wanted to open that space up, because nobody's talking about that. Like, yes, online courses bring this aspect of freedom of finances, freedom of time, freedom of location. You can work from wherever you want to work from. We know this, right? Especially as we started to see COVID roll in, unfortunately, back in 2020. we really started to see people adopt and want the laptop lifestyle, or the lifestyle where you can work from anywhere. And we're starting to see, still more of that. Like, people still want that. But also, what's not being talked about is this freedom to explore you, like to explore who you are, to explore and re-explore the things that you really enjoy, the things that you like to do. That's what courses give you an opportunity to do. Yes, as the teacher, as the creator, but think about the people that you also get to impact, and the people whose lives you get to transform and change forever by just helping them open up an additional space for exploration, a space for curiosity. I see some people who criticize this lane, who criticize this industry, and you guys know I've been in this now, and I talk about this a lot on this channel, which, by the way, if you're new here to the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, then join the family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification, so you know when more episodes like this drop, and we can hang out live. And if you are back, welcome back to my Jump First Academy family. But I talk about this a lot here about how, I just feel like it's just one of those things that I think is so important. I lost that train of thought, but I think it'll come back to me because it's super important for me to share, and I know it. I feel that. But it's one of those things where I feel like you have to be comfortable in your own skin. There it is, right? So the people who criticize this industry, who criticize this lane of, teaching other people what it is that creating courses, or, the people that have to criticize coaches, coaching coaches. I mean, like, everybody needs what they are. Like, does that make sense? So a doctor needs a doctor, a lawyer needs a lawyer, a coach needs a coach, a mentor needs a mentor. Like, I don't understand that line of thinking when people say that and they criticize that. But here's what I've come to know. People who are criticizing you for taking the time to explore your creativity, for understanding who it is that you are, for doing what it is that you want to do, are usually the people who feel trapped still. That they're the people who aren't doing what they want to do. Does that make sense? And it's like this sense of, I always say there's this cycle of admiration. So there are people who will, whether they want to admit it or not, it borders jealousy, okay? There's jealousy, there's, why is this person doing this? How is she able to do that? All of those things. And so, with that being said, sorry, y'all, I did not put my phone on do not disturb. So with that being said, it is, it's one of those things where I feel like it's jealousy, hate, wondering why they're not there instead of you, like why her or why him instead of me. And then that turns into this sense of admiration, right? Because again, it's usually you're doing something that somebody wants to do for the reason that they express this hateration, okay, or this jealousy. But in reality, in all actuality, you're a mirror for their lives. You're a mirror for what they actually want for themselves. Does that make sense? I hope that this is like super inspirational for you going forward, and share it with other people, okay, who maybe can benefit from this and can utilize this in their Friday going forward. I don't have any notes for this, so this is literally off the cuff. These are my thoughts and what I was thinking this morning. And so I appreciate y'all always coming to hang out with me. I appreciate that as well. Aramagam, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Said your speech is good. I appreciate that. Thank you. And I thank you for being here. Again, I want us to leave this, and I'll recap this by saying, explore, tap into your creativity, tap into your curiosity, do things because you want to do them, okay? And do the things that are going to help you move forward. So explore that stuff. Explore the stuff that you want to do, not because somebody else wants it for you, or desires you to do this thing, okay? Tap into the things that really excite you and ignite your passion, and do more of those things that will also impact other people in the long run. There's a sense of freedom in teaching what it is that you know. Okay, so shameless plug, jumpfirstacademy.org in order to get started. Again, it's jumpfirstacademy.org to get started. If you're interested in the live class, I'm teaching it again next Thursday. So jump on in. It's application only. However, it's going to help you go deeper into understanding the strategy and really what is necessary to start teaching and packaging what it is that you know, so that you can give it out to the world. Okay, you deserve that. And so do the people who are waiting for you to show up. jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP is where you want to go to apply for the free training next Thursday. I love y'all so much. Have an amazing Friday. I'm going to go finish my coffee, okay? Because clearly Clearly I need it this morning. And I will see y'all back here. I'm gonna try to hop on tomorrow, okay, over this weekend. So love y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you know when I'm live, and I'll see y'all back here later. Bye y'all.